some other points. So until now he's trying to find, maybe he can get. So until now 5 points for the Kyrgyzia. Mahmoudov 7 points.
يمسك هو حبيب الله الطاجاكي الدولي. يتابع بالتأكيد الدولي حبيب الله حكم الدولي. هنا المحاولة إذا مبروك 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 اللي ابن
فليب. Amir Abdi getting the north-south position. Curry left. Amir Abdi. Could he get? Oh, a 5-pointer! A 5-pointer for Kyrgyzstan and a pin. What was he hoping for? But congratulations to Abdul Mahmoudov.